Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful Saturday morning, and right here we will be checking out the binary trading platform, and we'll be checking out an EA which you can use to trade this particular platform. And of course that is what we'll be checking out in today's video, and we'll be doing it right away. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunity shared in my videos, and of course practice very well before you start using it on your real account, because they say practice makes perfect. Okay, the more you practice, the more you know about the strategy. Okay, so that is very, very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay guys, quickly, for you to have access to this platform, all you need to do is just for you to be a registered member on the binary trading platform. And of course right from there, in case you don't have an account, there's going to be a link in the description box below this video. Click on it to help you to do your registration. Once you are done with your registration, then you will be able to log into the platform, and right from there you can click on debot, and of course it will bring you down to this platform. And for you to upload your bot file, you come to the dashboard. That should be the first thing you should see. Click on my computer and you upload the exact file, and you click on this run button to start running it. Okay, so I'm going to upload the file right now. Okay, I've gotten it uploaded and I'm running it at the moment. Okay, so we're just going to go straight to see its performance right away. Okay, so let's see how it is performing right away. Okay, just the way we have seen, this has actually made $1.91 already, and that is how it works. Okay, so it's so easy to use, anyone can actually use it. Okay, and you too can also use it. It is at $3.82 already. Easily, you can easily make about $50 from this particular platform using this particular software. Okay, and of course that is how beautiful it is. Okay, so anyone can actually do this. Okay, so you too can also do the same thing. Okay, right, before we move on, okay, quickly, let me quickly say big congratulations to those of you that traded with me on the Telegram channel yesterday, because we made a lot of profits yesterday, and it was so amazing, guys. And of course we are still going to have more of it today, because there are going to be some trading activities today. So if you are having this trading tool, you can also join me on the Telegram channel, so that we can milk the market successfully using this particular strategy. Okay, you can see this is giving us a lot of confidence within the market, and that is the beauty of the trading tool. So that is it. So you can join me on the Telegram channel today, and if you are not having, then definitely you can contact me, because you have been missing a lot. Because we those of us that are having have been winning throughout this week. We made a lot of profit back to back. We didn't lose any on any of the days. Okay, we didn't lose at all. Okay, because it had been back to back winning. Okay, and so amazing using this trading tool, because it makes analysis very easy. Now let's go back to the trading bot. Okay, this is the trading bot, and as you can see, it has made $18 already. So that's so amazing, and that is the beauty of it. It is programmed in such a way that it will make more profits than losses. Okay, and of course once it makes a loss, it recovers quickly. You can see it is at $20 at the moment. So quickly, let me quickly explain to you how you can get it. Okay, so this particular trading bot, I will be having it released to you guys for free on the Telegram channel. That is, if you do a few things for me. First of all, you need to like my videos and share with friends and family, and I need a beautiful comment on the comment section. If I'm able to have as many as possible, then I will have it released in the Telegram channel. So always check the Telegram channel throughout today in order for you to download this trading bot. Okay, this is this particular trading bot is also unique. And of course, let me quickly give you a few tips. Okay, you shouldn't overrun the trading bot, and of course do your calculation very well. If it is $10 you want to make, it is very fast. In less than 30 seconds to 45 seconds you will make that $10 with it. Okay, and of course within a short period of time you can make that $2, I mean that $20 right from there. You can see the $20 we just finished making, okay, right here in this video. Okay, so that is how easy it is. Okay, so you too can also take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, you can easily make up to $100 with this particular trading bot on daily basis. It also depends on your trading capital, but above all, just make sure you have a good network and there is no interruption whenever the trading activities is going on. So all these are very important, and do not overrun the trading bot. So it is as easy as that. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.